Hey friends, is there something that you could eat every day that could make you look 20 years younger and help you to feel your absolute best ever? So this is Casey Ann Reynolds. I am a wellness coach. I specialize in longevity and helping people to feel and look their best at any age. I'm currently 55, but most days I feel 25. Anyhow, if you're loving this video series and would you like to learn more about the Mediterranean keto diet, please hit subscribe and get those notifications. I am making a video a day. Alrighty, so this is a Mediterranean keto salad. Now, I just came home from the mountains of North Carolina, and you can click on that video. It was just the most amazing trip ever, and I literally had nothing in my refrigerator. I did fortunately have some leafy greens, and they're still doing fine, thank goodness. So that's what you're going to start any salad with, is some leafy greens. And so this was all I had. And so I am going to put a little bit of red cabbage. I love keeping that chopped in the refrigerator because it does last an awful long time. So just going to top that. And we want to, in the Mediterranean keto diet, focus on our berries and our veggies that grow above the ground, and also trying to get as many dark veggies as possible because they have those antioxidant and fight cancer. Alrighty. I had one zucchini. Thank goodness I had that one zucchini. This is literally all I had. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that zucchini on there. And please keep watching to the end of the video because there's one secret recipe that will boost your testosterone, because we know women need testosterone over the age of 50, and particularly for those gentlemen, if you eat this one special ingredient every day, you will just feel so young again. Alrighty, this was literally, I didn't have any other fresh ingredients. So I just went like, what do I have in my pantry, because it's Mediterranean? So I had some artichoke hearts, and we know artichoke hearts are another one of those testosterone boosting foods, and I am going to be creating a whole series on how we can eat to burn belly fat, boost testosterone, and feel and look younger. Okay, I had green olives. Again, this was after a trip and there was nothing in the refrigerator. And I had some Kalamata black olives, love those, yum yum. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and top it. This is gonna be a high protein diet. So I have some boiled egg. Of course, you want to use only organic eggs that have been grass-fed. And then I had some sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm gonna add a little bit of those guys right on top there to make that extra yum. And you don't have to make a homemade dressing, but if you wanted to, just something super easy peasy. This was half a lemon. And I am just going to squirt a little bit of olive oil in there, extra virgin olive oil, because on Mediterranean keto, we get our fats mostly from avocados and olive oil. It's not as heavy on the fats as a traditional keto diet. Okay, balsamic vinegar. Just put a little teeny bit in there. Don't have to measure, it doesn't have to be that precise. I'm gonna add a shake of salt. Do use your pink Himalayan salt because you want to avoid those plastics that is in regular salt, and just some ground pepper. You could add some basil and oregano if you wanted to, or if you wanted to add a little bit of spice, that would also be fine. So you can just whisk that up real fast and easy. Alrighty. So what is that one magical ingredient that will boost your testosterone and just help you with your heart health? And that is sardines. So I know maybe we grew up thinking that sardines were kind of gross and nasty, and I was definitely of that type of person, but I've discovered these Mediterranean style sardines. The thing is, you keep them in your cabinet, you always have them available, and they're actually super yum, and they're 23 grams of protein, and they're full of omega acids, full of omega-3, and also the wonderful thing about these guys is that they eat plankton, so they're much less likely to be contaminated by mercury, unlike tuna. So let's see if I can open this can and not injure myself. And so I'm just going to take a fork and put a couple of these little puppies on my salad. Just put a couple of those little guys on there. And I do bodybuilder, so started bodybuilding at the age of 55. I do like to eat these sardines after I come home from a workout with a little bit of, organic corn chips, not corn chips, but tortilla chips. Alrighty, so that was that magic ingredient. It has helped my hair grow amazing. 2, I do have a hair video on how to help your hair grow thicker and to avoid those balding patches that we sometimes get. So that is what that salad looks like. Oh my gosh, super yum. If you wanted to add a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese, or I actually have this Parmesan cheese is in nice little chunks, that would also be super yum. So this salad has 30 grams of protein, which is wonderful because we need 1 gram of protein per body weight. And it also is only about 400 calories, and it's full of all those omega-3s and the fatty acids that we need to reverse the aging process so that you will look and feel 20 years younger.